Hey guys, so a skater asked me if I could break down the hot dog or parts 3 and parts 4. So I'm gonna do the first step with you guys live and I'll share it out later. So we're gonna start in the downtown. So you just wanna get into your downtown flow. So get a good downtown going, downtown. And then what we're gonna do, not this time, but next time when I get to my left-hand side, we're gonna go heel up, toe back, heel up, back into a downtown. And there you go. That's that very first step in the hot dog. So again, when I get to my left, I'm gonna go heel, toe, heel, into my downtown. So again, when I get to this side, right heel, left toe, right heel, downtown. There you go, guys. That's that very first step to the hot dog. Right heel, left toe, right heel, downtown. And there you go. So let's do it. I'll break it down a little bit slower. When I get to my left side, right heel, left toe, right heel, cross into your downtown. Practice it really slow, guys. Really slow. Right, left, right, cross. Downtown. And then get into your downtown. Come back. Keep practicing that same move. And you can put a little swag in it. Bounce it around a little bit. There you go. Once you're comfortable, have some fun with your hot dog. I like to put a little bounce in my steps. Woo! Again, if you're just joining me, I'm doing the hot dog. Actually, the first step to the hot dog, to break it down slowly. I'm in my downtown. When I get back to the left, heel, toe, heel. And it helps to rock a little bit. So do a little rock. And there you go, guys. Heel, toe, heel. Woo! Step 1. Have a great day, guys. Keep skating.